แล้วครับไปแล้วระวังเนอะเสาไฟนะ
โอ้ยจอด
A state of emergency has been declared in Thailand due to the critical flooding situation in Chiang Mai City. On Saturday, October 5, 2024, the water level in the Ping River reached a concerning height of 5.30 meters, still higher than the banks in many areas.
คือตอนนี้สงสารที่สุดเลยคือมินิคูเปอร์คันนี้นะคะป้ายแดงเหรอมันมีประกันอยู่มั้งตอนนี้ก็คือเรากำลังจะเดินย้อนกลับไปที่ปินสลอยซึ่งมันโคตรยากอะ
The overflow of the Ping River has caused severe flooding that has submerged the districts of Chiang Dao, Mae Taeng, San Sai, and the Mueang Chiang Mai District in Chiang Mai City. In some areas, the floodwaters have risen to over 2 meters. Cars and motorcycles were submerged as they could not be moved in time. Highways have suddenly turned into rivers filled with muddy water. This disaster is considered the largest flood in the last 50 years in Chiang Mai, Thailand, even worse than the floods in 2005 and 2011. Floodwaters have inundated Warat Market, Tun Longan Market, and the Night Bazaar area on the west side of the Ping River. On the east side, flooding has extended to the intersection of Children's Court and the Chiang Mai Arcade bus terminal, located 2 kilometers from the Ping River. Given the high floodwaters affecting homes, firefighters and rescue teams have begun to gradually evacuate affected residents using boats. The Department of National Parks, Wildlife and Plant Conservation, the Royal Forestry Department, and veterinary teams have entered the Elephant Care Center area in Kuet Chang Subdistrict, Mae Taeng District, to carry out elephant rescue operations. A total of 126 elephants have been affected, but 3 elephants have been found dead.